Look, I'm not even going to make you wait around for the answer. The answer is yes. Terra Luna Classic can absolutely go to $1, but there are some things that need to take place first before we get there. And I know a lot of people always ask the question, when do you think it can reach $1? By what day do you think it can reach $1? You know, do you think Terra Luna Classic is going to go to $1 by the end of 2022? And really, with any sort of accuracy, it's nearly impossible to answer that question. But we can answer questions like, do you think Terra Luna can go to $1 if this happens, or this happens, or I believe Terra Luna can go to $1 once we reach this level, and things like that. So I want to talk in this video about some of the things that we need to see happen before Terra Luna can reach $1. Because with what's going on right now, no, it's not going to reach $1. But if we break through these walls and we see these things happen, yes, Terra Luna can absolutely reach $1. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. You're going to get 6 free stocks during their anniversary promotion. $1 in crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want to buy Terra Luna Classic and Terra Luna 2.0, you got a link in the description for Voyager. You're going to get $25 in free Bitcoin for signing up there, so make sure to check it out. But everybody wants to see Terra Luna Classic go to that dollar mark. At this point, nobody really cares about Terra Luna 2.0. It's still in extremely volatile stages, and everybody that is following Do Kwon, the guy that allowed Terra Luna Classic to spiral out of control and drop in value in the first place, everybody that's following him to the death spiral on Terra Luna 2.0 right now is over there. And I do believe there's a possibility that they're going to be coming back. Now, first I want to look at why Terra Luna is falling right now, and then I want to discuss that just briefly, and then I want to get into what we need to see happen before Terra Luna Classic can reach $1. So if you're looking at Terra Luna Classic right now, the price is down over the last 24 hours, and what that really is a lot of centralized exchanges, open trading back up, and people that were only buying Terra Luna Classic for the Terra Luna 2.0 airdrop, they are leaving. They have no reason to hold Terra Luna Classic at this point. They've got their airdrop. They were there for the snapshot, and now they are moving out. Maybe they are, maybe they're just trading for any other coin for that matter. Maybe they're buying Terra Luna 2.0 with their, Terra Luna Classics that they had. Whatever the reason is, all of the people that were only here for Terra Luna 2.0 airdrop, they are leaving, and the price is going down because of it. So we're going to have to go through that, not growing pain, essentially, but I guess cleansing. We're going to have to get rid of anybody who doesn't want to hold Terra Luna Classic and allow the market to figure out what price is stable before we can move higher again. But when we do, okay, here are some obstacles that we need to overcome, and the largest of all obstacles is the overall supply. When UST became depegged from $1, and Do Kwon and everybody out there started, just saturating the market with Terra Luna Classic coins, there are 6.5 plus trillion Terra Luna Classic coins in existence and in circulation right now. That is way too high. If you expect Terra Luna Classic to go to $1 with the current outstanding supply, we are sitting on a $6.5 trillion valuation. That is roughly 5 times the entire cryptocurrency market put together, and we are not going to reach $1 with that outstanding supply unless, of course, one of two things happens, and this one I don't want to see. So overall, the dollar would just spiral out of control. It's not impossible with the amount of money the U.S. has been printing lately, but I don't want to see a worthless dollar, I guess, be the reason we see a worthful Terra Luna Classic or a valuable Terra Luna Classic. I don't want that one to happen. Now, the overall cryptocurrency market could grow exponentially. If that comes into play, then yes, I do believe we could see, a dollar valuation or a dollar price point on Terra Luna Classic, even if we don't burn a significant amount of the supply. So in that aspect, you're looking at maybe the overall cryptocurrency market grows to 40, 50, 60, 70 trillion dollars, which is not impossible. Okay, that would be basically a 20x increase from the highest point that we saw back in November. And to put it in perspective, the United States stock market is worth roughly $40 to $50 trillion. So it would be slightly greater than that, but crypto is global. Crypto is not only exclusive to the United States, and that would lead to a potential, or what we would need to see happen to reach $1 if we don't burn the supply. If we do burn the supply of Terra Luna Classic, $1 is much more probable and much more possible, simply because we can reach those higher prices and maintain that lower market cap. Now, there's nothing to say that Terra Luna Classic can't go to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, $1 trillion market cap one day. Absolutely not. But it is a constraint that holds it back, because it's very difficult to believe that Terra Luna Classic is going to have a valuation above Bitcoin, above Ethereum, above, some of these major stable coins and things like that. And, without some massive growth there, it is difficult to see those things happening or foresee those things happening without some major growth. So knowing that the supply is the main constraint, you got to talk about burns. And they are absolutely speeding up. I did a video this morning to talk in a little bit more detail, but MEXC Global, man, they're leading the way right now, and I do believe we're going to see continued growth, in that burn, aspect. Now, some of the things that we could see that would allow Terra Luna Classic to go to $1, other than the supply moving down, is the demand moving up. It is still, right now, let's call it very, very early in the meme coin stages for Terra Luna Classic. Nobody wants to touch it right now because Do Kwon allowed it to spiral out of control. Nobody wants to embrace it unless you're gambling. And I get it. It's a very risky coin. But once these lunatics begin to build the community back up, and once retailers start to see, and hey, if it's anything like Shiba Inu coin and the community that's built up around Shiba Inu coin, marketing perspectives and marketing, enterprises will really see the value in the lunatics that are out there supporting Luna Classic. And that right there is almost a guaranteed increase in demand. Because at the end of the day, guys, that's what we have. If you want to affect price, you have to change demand and increase demand, or you have to decrease supply. If you want the price to go up, those are the only two things that you need to look at. Burns will absolutely decrease the supply of Terra Luna Classic, and let's just say, let's give Terra Luna Classic a valuation that it had before it spiraled out of control. 50 billion would be the number that we would need to get down to if we wanted a $1 price point, and if we wanted the same valuation that we had before it became depegged from UST and before it became depegged from that dollar there. So, or before the UST became depegged from the dollar, sorry. So that's what we would need to see. Roughly 6.5 trillion tokens burnt. And do I think it's possible? Absolutely. Do I think it's going to happen by the end of the year? Absolutely not. But, at least these are the things that we should be focusing on. Not dates, but milestones before we get Terra Luna Classic to $1. I want to know what you guys think, though. A lot of people like it. A lot of people hate it. Do you guys believe that Terra Luna Classic can absolutely make it to $1? Let us know in the comments below. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You got a link for Voyager in the description if you do want to get some Terra Luna Classic. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.